MSc Part 2, Paper 2, Unit 4, Transition and Rare Earth Metal in Organic Synthesis. Okay, the next point is the reductive elimination. The reductive elimination is an elementary step in the organometallic chemistry in which the oxidation state of the metal center decreases while the forming a new covalent bond between the two ligands. यामध्ये रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन काय होतं, ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट जी आहे मेटल सेंटरची मेटल सेंटर मेटलची ती होते डिक्रीज होते. ओके, अँड फॉलोइंग द फॉर्मिंग काय होतं, न्यू कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतो बिटवीन टू लिगँड अँड इट इज द मायक्रोस्कोपिक रिव्हर्स टू ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन. ही ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशनच्या रिव्हर्सिबल आहे अँड इट इज ऑफ्टन द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मिंग स्टेप इज अ मेनी कॅटॅलिटिक प्रोसेस अँड दिस ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह ॲडिशन अँड द रिडक्टिव्ह एलिमिनेशन आर रिव्हर्स रिॲक्शन. The same mechanism apply for the both processes and the product equilibrium depend upon the thermodynamics of both direction. In this, if we want to the organometallic chemistry to make the organic compound other than those containing metals, we must be able to remove the ligand from the coordination pair of the metal and the end of the reaction, and neutral organic species such as the alkene, phosphine and the carbon monoxide can simply dissociated in the presence of other suitable ligands, but those that are bound to the metal with the shared electron is require the more active process. And fortunately the most reaction that occurs around the transition metal are reversible, and the reversible oxidation addition reverse to oxidative addition is called as a reductive elimination, and the provide the simple route of this release the neutral organic product from the complexes. And our general reaction shows the metal oxidation if the metal have the oxidation state 2 is going to the oxidation state 0 and realizing the xy is a simple is a neutral species, and these two ligands are separate in the complexes but the bound together in the product. A new xy sigma bond has been formed. Okay, the ligand is eliminated must be the cis to one another for the reductive elimination to occur. याच्यामध्ये रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशनमध्ये इलिमिनेशन होताना मेटल लिगँडचं हे मस्ट बी सिस फॉर्ममध्येच झालं पाहिजे. And this because of the process is a concerted. The two example of a palladium chemistry to makes the point clear. The warming in DMSO is called the ethane to production from the first palladium complex because of the two methyl group are the cis in the square planar. In this, the reductive elimination is often seen the higher oxidation state and the can involve the two electron change at a single metal center is the or one electron change at the each of the two metal center is the binuclear dinuclear. Okay, then the first is a simple example is a MLN is AB. So the AB is a remove it is a neutral species. त्याच्यामधून काय होते, न्यूट्रल स्पेसिस जे आहे ए आणि ए बी ही काय होते यातून रिमूव्ह होते, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन. म्हणजे मेटलची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट ह्याच्यामध्ये बघितली जर समजा 4 असेल तर ती किती झाली आहे 2 झाली आहे. देन फॉर एक्झाम्पल सेकंड इन दिस द एम मेटल एम मीन्स consider as a metal m dash m bond with metal. Okay, metal bond with metal, the formation of the double bond is a ab is a remove, then 2 ln ma is a then also is a aa is a remove. So these are the called as a reductive elimination. No one wants to the make ethane that have the, but if many other pairs of ligand can be coupled by the reductive elimination. The reductive elimination is one of the most important method for the removal of a transition metal from the reaction sequence and leaving the neutral organic product, and we will see many example as a in this, but there here is a indol synthesis that is depends upon the reductive elimination of the palladium as the लास्ट स्टेप. इंडॉल सिंथेसिसमध्ये सुद्धा लास्ट स्टेपमध्ये पॅलॅडियम होताना एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय होतं रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन फॉर्मेशन होतं, रिडक्टिव्ह इलिमिनेशन त्यामध्ये होतं. देन सेकंड इज अ मायग्रेटरी इन्सर्शन. The migratory insertion is a type of reaction in the organometallic chemistry wherein the two ligands on the metal complexes combine. Migratory insertion मध्ये काय होतं आहे तर टू लिगँड्स मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्सला कंबाईन होतात. जसं की टू लिगँड रिडक्टिव्ह एलिमिनेशनमधून टू लिगँड बाहेर पडतात, तसंच मायग्रेटरी इन्सर्शनमध्ये काय होतं, इज एलिमिनेशन insertion. So the insert the ligand into the complex. It is the subset of the reaction that is a very closely resemble the reaction insertion reaction and both are differentiated by the mechanism that leads to the resulting stereochemistry of the product. They however often the two are used interchangeably because the mechanism is sometimes unknown, and therefore the migratory insertion reaction or insertion reaction for the short one defined not by the mechanism but by the overall physiochemistry when in the one chemical entity imposes itself into one existing bond of a typical or second chemical entity. The two ligands can also react together to produce the new complexes that still has the composite the ligand attached to the metal and ready for the further modification, and thus this process involve the migratory migration of the one ligand from the to metal to other ligand and the insertion of the ligand into the other metal ligand bond. Okay, so it's called as a migratory insertion. And insertion process is a reversible and the metal effectively loses the ligand in the process. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, मेटल जो लिगँड आहे तो लॉस करतो. The overall insertion may be driven by the addition of an external ligand to produce a coordinatively saturated complex with a reductive elimination. A cis arrangement of a ligand is required and a migratory group and retains the stereochemistry during the migration. In this example is a saturated MXY and migratory insertion is a X is attached to the, in the first is a X is attached to the metal, and second in this step the X is attached to the Y, and the last step the second ligand is attached to the metal is a saturated, unsaturated means what, the X migrates from the M to Y and Y is a insert into the MX bond. Okay, it's called as a migratory insertion. Then for example is the Wilkinson catalyst is used in a homogeneous hydrogenation of alkene. The catalyst is soluble in many organic solvents such as the ATOH means ethanol, then chloroform, some hydrocarbon. The alkene complex is with a metal and migratory insertion from the alkene metal complexes by the hydrogen transfer. The simple is a migratory insertion is the principle where the building up the chain of an organic ligand before the elimination. मग इलिमिनेशनच्या आधी स्टेप होते ही मायग्रेटरी इन्सर्शन. द ग्रुप मे बी इन्सर्टेड मस्ट बी अनसॅच्युरेटेड इन ऑर्डर टू accommodate the additional and bonds, and common example include the carbon monoxide, alkene, alkynes producing the methyl acyl, methyl alkyl, then metal acyl, metal alkyl, metal alkenyl complexes. Okay, so the migratory insertion is the migrate the one ligand from the metal to the another ligand. The simple insertion of the one ligand to other metal ligand bond. Okay, it's called a migratory insertion. Thank you.